My name is Carlos Heredia and my project's name is Opening Doors to Change. It will provide information and assist a group of residents of the Chicago Long community in tackling problems of public safety, education, and immigration through a series of workshops. A number of community residents at our on-the-table conversation related a number of incidents in the community involving crime activity, school concerns, and immigration activities by ICE. It was thus agreed that a project of this type was needed. Increasing community engagement and awareness among immigrants, a vulnerable population, will help to reduce crime by working together with the police and public officials. It will help improve the educational levels of their children and to develop strategies by being less vulnerable in the event of an immigration action and by protecting their children. The Chicago Long Branch Tanti Elementary and the Latino Organization of the Southwest will be a part of the project by providing meeting space, facilitating communication with their members, and by assisting in the recruitment of participants such as parents, adolescents, and other community residents. They will also form a coordinating committee to guide the project. Informational sessions and workshops will be conducted at local schools, libraries, and other public meeting spaces. They will begin in July with 2 sessions to be conducted each month and will end in late November for a total of 10 public presentations. Representatives from the police department, local officials, and immigration experts will take part in these presentations. We expect an attendance of about 20 participants at each session for a total of 200. We hope to succeed by reaching our attendance goals and a high level of participation. Our project is unique by addressing these 3 basic areas of community life.